Seamless travel with airport-to-airport visa change ba ang hanap mo? Kailangan mo ba magpa-change visa ng mabilis? No worries! Dahil dito sa Mr. Kiko Traveling Tours, kami ang bahala sa iyo. Mag-book ka na na ma-experience mo ang smooth at hassle-free airport-to-airport visa change with same-day return. Meron tayong two options. First option is Halom Air airport-to-airport, which is sa Dubai Airport, a 60-day airport-to-airport package na nagkakalaga ng 1,620 dirhams. Hintay ka sa Muscat Airport habang pending ang UAE visa approval mo. Meron na din siyang free rebooking if hindi ma-approve ang visa mo on the same day. Immigration deposit na nagkakahalaga ng 1,500 dirhams refundable. Second option is Air Arabia airport-to-airport, which is Sharjah Airport, a 60-day airport-to-airport package na nagkakahalaga ng 1,850 dirhams. Same-day return, agad-agad. Immigration deposit na nagkakahalaga ng 1,500 dirhams refundable. Kadali lang po na requirements, properly scanned passport, valid at least 6 months, clear copy of 2x2 picture with white background, studio type, old visa or cancellation copy. Huwag na maghintay at ma-overstay. Iwasan ng penalties at hassle. Mr. Kiko Traveling Tours, kami ang bahala sa iyo.
Saan man panig ng mundo, kami bahala sa iyo. Sa amin ika'y mahalaga, kaya't pag-iingatan ka. Mr. Kiko, Mr. Kiko, Mr. Kiko, Mr. Kiko Travel. Tara na, biyahe tayo. Tara na, biyahe tayo. Mr. Kiko Travels and Tours. Kabayan, tara na sa Mr. Kiko Travel and Tours.